The Dasher app provides two distinct ways to sign out, each serving different purposes for drivers. Understanding when and how to use each method is crucial for maintaining account security. Going offline is the quickest way to pause delivery requests while keeping your session active. This method is perfect for short breaks, meal times, or when you need to temporarily stop receiving orders. Complete Logout provides full security by signing you out entirely and clearing all cache data. This method is essential when using shared devices or ending your shift for the day. Choosing the right logout method depends on your situation. Use going offline for short breaks under 2 hours, and always use complete logout when using shared or public devices for maximum security. Remember, as of 2025, DoorDash has enhanced security measures. Always prioritize complete logout on shared devices to protect your account and earnings from unauthorized access. Account security incidents have increased by 73% in 2024. Following proper security practices is now more critical than ever for Dasher drivers. The first critical practice is always logging out completely when using shared or public devices. 67% of security issues stem from improper logout procedures on shared devices. Enable biometric authentication whenever available. Modern biometric methods like fingerprint and facial recognition provide excellent security while maintaining convenience for legitimate users. Keep your app updated to the latest version and monitor your account activity regularly. 92% of users report satisfaction with current security features when properly maintained. Industry experts recommend balancing convenience with security. Use the Go Offline feature for short breaks under 2 hours, but always complete a full logout when ending your shift for the day. If you notice any suspicious activity on your account, report it immediately to DoorDash support. Quick reporting can prevent unauthorized access and protect your earnings. Multi-factor authentication provides an additional layer of security. The process combines something you know, like a password, with something you have, like your phone, or something you are, like your fingerprint. Following these security best practices significantly reduces your risk of unauthorized access. Remember, complete logout on shared devices, enable biometric authentication, keep your app updated, monitor your account, and report suspicious activity immediately.